Hi, I'm Richard. I've been an apprentice at Technoturn for 4 weeks now. So I've been in inspection and on the lathes and in storage. There's two days at college a week. 1 day is in the workshop, 1 day is studying the maths. Typical day, get here for 8 o'clock, grab a cup of tea, then go meet my manager Martin, and then we go around checking the pieces and then moving on to just buffing and grinding stuff. I chose an apprenticeship because it's more hands-on, it's a better learning environment for me. I'm very much hands-on, so I like being able to do stuff instead of just sit down and focus. And it's also, I'm getting paid whilst to learn, so I find that a lot more appealing than paying to carry on learning itself. It's a friendly environment. Everybody's kind, everybody's friendly. You can talk to anybody if you've got any queries. It's just a really friendly environment.